Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. In today's session, we'll be connecting NSAW with Claude, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that require you to connect your Claude Desktop version to the Oracle NSAW. So the first thing I would do is go into your NSAW instance and make sure you access to your profile. You should be an admin, and under your profile, there is a tab called MCP Connect. Here you can download the JSON or like the zip file that allows you to connect Claude with NSAW. You can copy this and configure your Claude instance to or any other AI platform that you would like to use. Even ChatGPT, Gemini should work with this ideally. For this to work, that I tried it with Claude Desktop, was able to connect with the MCP server for NSAW and then use the Claude web version while the desktop version was active and authenticated with NSAW, right? So it requires an active connection for that authentication to work so that you can use it on your web application. So let's get started. So first I'm going to do is download this to a folder and just save it in my local. So once I do that, I'm going to ask Claude to go ahead and assist me with connecting NSAW with Claude. I've given it the high-level step from the URL. So basically, I've just given the screenshot, OAC MCP Connect file, the zip file in this context here, and Claude went ahead and it started its installation of the prerequisites. So once it's doing that, it's asking me a question. So which Claude client should I connect to with NSAW? So I'm going to go ahead with Claude Desktop. So what happens is once it connects, I have to close Claude Desktop and reopen so the authentication can take place, right? And I'm going to go ahead with browser login. So what happens is it asks me to log in into the browser with my OAC credentials. So it's essentially like looking at the JSON file which has the MCP servers, and it's going to make the edits to add this NSAW MCP server into this file. By the way, I'm doing this using the Claude code session on my Claude Desktop application. So what it did so far is it was able to install the latest node version, extract that zip file, and merge it into the existing Claude Desktop version. So what we're going to do next is close this Claude Desktop version. I'm just going to allow it for now. And then once it opens up, we are going to log in into the Oracle Analytics platform with our OAC credentials. So it gets stored in there. Okay, great. So now I'm going to go ahead and close the Claude Desktop version. And let me see if I actually quit it fully. Now I'm going to reopen Claude Desktop again. Now we get an error saying server disconnected. So it's asking us to open developer settings, and so we have an error. Let's see. I'm going to copy these errors. Go back to our Claude code session. Okay, so by default, Claude is looking for Chrome where I have Edge. So what I'm going to do is it's looking for a way to open up a browser. As soon as you open a new instance of Claude Desktop, you should see the Oracle NSAW login. So go ahead and sign in with your credentials here. Once you're able to sign in, you should see under your Claude Code Desktop or Claude Desktop under the developer settings, you should see that OSE MCP Connect is successfully established. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and test this, right? So let me open up a new chat, and I'm gonna select the connector. We're gonna use the OSE MCP Connect. The list of tools that are available in NSAW. See, I'm just going to give it some context. Right, so I'm just going to go with Sonnet for now, just because you just want to get the tools and see how Claude works on this. Awesome, so now we are successfully able to get the analytics tools from the OSE MCP connector from NSAW. So with this, how they're going to work is you can see that there are 3 different tools. You can discover the data, you can put these parameters in there, and then you can describe the data, get the metadata for columns, and also run Logical SQL on your OSE instance, and then do analysis or train your Claude with the NSAW data. I hope this was helpful. I'm going to follow up this session with more detailed workflows that you could use with Claude and NSAW. Thank you.